Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I decided to do a mini review on this wig and also this makeup tutorial. It's very simple, very easy. There's not a lot of product included. I will have everything that I use in this video listed down in the description box in case you're interested. So if you guys would like to see how I accomplish this look and more about this wig, then I would like you to go ahead and keep on watching.
Okay guys, so of course we always start off with the brows, but anyway, we're not gonna do that today in this video. You guys see me do that a whole lot of times. Here I'm just showing you my locks. If you are new to my channel, I do have locks underneath all of these wigs. I just wanted you to see I just got a fresh retwist. I retwisted my hair the night before, and this is how I prep my hair when I put on my wigs. So I don't normally braid it down or anything. I just put it under a stocking cap and then I keep on pushing. So this is a new wig. So basically what I do, I normally start off and adding some foundation or concealer in the parting area, and then I brush it out with a blending brush, and then sometimes I set it with a powder, or sometimes I just leave it like that. So to set down your wigs, I'm not going out for too long, and I'm not going to be wearing this throughout the night, so I just use a little bit of the got to be glued spray, the freezing spray, to set the front part of my wig. That's where the little bit of lace is. So basically you just see me putting on the wig here and trying to line up the lace parting that they have available, and I apply that where I put the glue spray. Alright, so now that the hair is set, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna go ahead and start color correcting today, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics corrector and concealer palette. I'm gonna leave all the products that I use today down in the description box, okay guys? So be sure to look out for that. So you just want to blend those colors out to make sure everything looks a little bit more seamless and easier for when you apply your foundation. So I normally do my brows on camera, but today I'm doing it off camera just because you guys have seen me done that so many times before, so there's nothing that you're gonna miss. I will have the eyebrow tutorial listed down in the description box as well. So we're just gonna apply foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 360, and I'm using this flat top kabuki brush. This is the travel size, to blend out my foundation. Now I know that this is not going to be a long tutorial, but I just want to make sure you guys understand that you don't have to use the most expensive products for you to achieve a beautiful and flawless finish. It's more how you apply your makeup versus what you apply. So my channel caters to drugstore products, lower end products, affordable products that will still give you that glamorous look at the end. So I always try to include tips in my videos to help people who are new to makeup to try to learn something, and hopefully that they can apply these tips to their makeup routine to make their life a little bit more easier. Alright, so after we're done blending out the foundation, we're just going to go back into that same palette, and I'm going to use that color at the top to highlight today. And what I've done the tip for today is, when you're blending out your concealer, you don't want to blend out one spot all the way, because sometimes all the product from one spot ends up going underneath your eye, because normally people would highlight underneath their eyes last, and sometimes that's why your makeup look a little bit cakey, because all the product is just sitting right underneath your eye, and some people don't blend out their concealer too good. So I'm just using the Black Radiance setting powder today. I love using this powder. It just really mattifies the skin and makes your look more flawless. So I am going into the e.l.f. blush palette today, and I'm using the last color at the bottom to just use as my all over eyeshadow today. I'm not using anything else on my eyes. I'm just gonna add some wing. And congratulations to me, guys. I am doing so much better with my wing line these days. It's been coming out really nice, so kudos to me for that. You know, practice makes perfect. All right, so there you have it. I am almost perfect with my wing line these days, so that's a good thing. So all right, you're just gonna line your waterline, your lower lash line, with a black eyeliner pencil, and then I moved ahead, sorry, and added some lashes. Lashes always do add to your look. It always makes the look pop a little bit more, at least in my opinion. You don't have to go as dramatic. You can always go with something a little bit less dramatic. So here you see me using my Maybelline Matte and Poreless loose powder in the shade 40, And before I add that powder to my face, I'm just gonna brush off the remaining powder that I had set earlier, just to make sure that we don't have any kind of mix up. So while I'm brushing that powder off, I'm actually stamping it into my skin to make sure that my face looks a little bit more mattified and set. Alright, so if you've noticed, this powder is a little bit red, but I don't mind because the first powder is yellow and I just wanted to have a different contrast just to make sure that everything blends perfectly. So you want to make sure you blend out that powder really well before you keep moving on. And I'm using the Dior lip gloss today. I love this lip gloss, and obviously you guys can see that it's almost finished. So for highlights today, I'm going to use these two colors at the bottom. This is from the BH Cosmetics and Carly Bible palette. Yes, I'm pressed for time, guys. So I'm just gonna add that to the high points of my cheek, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then later on you're gonna see me adding it into my tear duct area of my eyes. So for setting spray, I'm using the NYX matte finish setting spray and the Body Shop strawberry smoothing face mist. And I like using these two combos because the mattifying spray mattes my face, and then this one just sets everything in place. I just love it, and it smells beautiful too. So a tip for today is when you're finished with your setting spray, you want to make sure you use a sponge or your brush and continue further pressing the product into your skin. This makes your makeup last a little bit longer, and whatever powder you've added to your face, it just sets everything in place and it just looks so beautiful and more skin like. So after I was finished doing this, I just went ahead and keep brushing out the hair and, you know, just form the curls the way I wanted it to. And that's it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. The specs of this hair will be listed down in the description box, okay? So be sure to check it out.
Okay, loves, that is the end of this tutorial. That is the end of this video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I do have a couple more wigs that I want to review, so instead of doing separate reviews, I will also do like a makeup tutorial and how I style the wig and stuff like that, just include it in one video instead of uploading, like, you know, 2 5-minute videos. That would kind of be a lot more work anyway. So thank you guys for sticking around. Please do go ahead and comment down below if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. If your love was a song they play.